Hey guys, welcome back. So, install that bed liner. So what I did is I cleaned with alcohol the whole top part here. So to stick the two-way, I'm just dabbing away, make sure there's no nothing. And don't use a Scott towel, because if you rub it, all it's gonna do is smear and come apart. So you grab this here, and we're gonna stick it on there. So basically, grab one side, you hold it, and grab the other side. We're going to overlap it. Okay. So just going to keep coming straight. I don't know what it's going to do with a box liner, a spray-in box liner, if it makes it that it doesn't stick as well, or if this is just basically a seal that the cover is going to sit right over it, so it shouldn't make a difference. Just going to hold it in place. And it's longer than what you need, so I recommend that you overlap the ends over the edge, so you can cut the access like that. Try to keep it as straight as you can. Yeah, I'm gonna go grab a knife. There we go. So that's step one. Step two is place the passenger side rail A on the truck with the slotted bracket pushed all the way forward to the cab and bulkhead. Front of cab, some drop-in bed liners may require trimming in the corner to fit the rail into the opening. I hope that's not the case. A little hot today. All right, so that's that side, passenger side?
Yep.
I guess this is how it's going in?
Nope. Other way.
Other way? No,
Yep.
it's the only way you can go.
Look at the front cap.
Okay.
It's gonna go like this.
Oh, okay, yeah.
See?
I see. Oh.
And then boom. See? That's how it's supposed to be.
Doesn't make it all the way to the back. Doesn't need to. What does the picture look like?
No, because that's where your tail box is.
Okay. So.
Picture looks exactly like that.
Alright, and push it as hard as you can forward, right? Now I guess if you want to hold it in place, I'm gonna go get 3 of the clamps, I guess. Because you need the clamps. Just hold it. Got about a foot from the front. We're gonna go back a little bit. There we go. Then we go another foot. Or actually, I'm going to go right in the middle. Tell me when I'm about in the middle, from the front to the back to. I'll put all 3.
Yeah, it looks good. That looks good.
That looks good. How about right there?
Yep.
Okay, well.
Actually, you can kind of see the middle if you line up with this.
Okay. Right about there?
Yeah.
But I'm not looking for the middle of the box, I'm looking for the middle of the rail. Am I good there? So that would put me right at the end of my cylinder. That would put me center.
Maybe a little bit to the left.
Well, I don't know what's left. You want me to go towards the back of the truck? Or
Front towards the front.
the front?
Yeah.
That's my right. Let's see.
My left.
Alright, so good like that?
Yep.
Okay. Ouch.
Sorry.
No problem. Just don't make it a habit of stepping on my kneecaps. Alright. So tighten that snug for now. Okay. And then the last one, well, I don't know why they make it so. Oh, I guess I got no choice. I can't go all the way to the back because there's only, so I'll go as far back as I can, I guess, and go right to the railing right here. And I don't want to touch it, so I don't want no vibration, so I'll stay away from it a little bit. All right, so that's that. It's actually got grooves in it. It's got a biting thing, so you can't like screw it up. All right, so that's that. So I'll tighten that up. How many pounds did they say you need to put?
10?
Yeah,
I think it was 10.
10?
Hand tighten to 10 feet, 10 pounds of torque. Yeah. 10 pounds of torque.
Is it flush? Is it sitting nicely? Everything?
Yeah, no, it is.
Okay, cool. Go to the next one.
Since I placed it.
So we'll remove this here out of the way. Okay. Good?
Yep.
Nothing's curving, it's nice and flush on top and everything?
Yep.
Alright. So the hell with the 10 pounds, I put them nice and tight. Alright.
Yeah, so pretty much we just redo the same steps for
We
the
just do the same steps for the other side?
side.
Because it's basically repeat.
Pretty much.
Alright, we'll be right back. Alright guys, now we're doing the buckles. So you got 2 Phillips screwdriver heads, slap them in there for your buckles. Then you're gonna have 2 of these little things. Oh, these little things that screw. So you're gonna need a screwdriver up here. And somebody's gotta go underneath and slap those in the hole. So you wanna go lay in there, Monty, and slap them in the hole? So you got 2 little holes. What I'll do is I'll remove it so you can see where the holes are. Just go underneath there. So let me know when you got them pushed in. You can start with the one closer to me on the side if you want. Push them in the holes. You see the holes?
Yeah, I think we're gonna have to lift this.
So that should have been in.
There you go.
You got it?
No one.
Okay. Let me turn this off for now. All right, so we put these on. So you put 2 screws in the little things. Don't put them tight because they're very not strong. You don't need to put them very snug. Make sure you're strapped in, everything's all tight. Put 3 bump stops on here. That's where you're putting your foams. And it depends on the model of your pickup. And it's just a preventive from banging.
No, it's banging the camera.
And it's banging the camera.
You gotta put it higher.
So I can't put it higher.
Huh.
So that's weird. So what I would suggest doing is actually cutting this in half and sticking one on top of the other one so it does hit the back glass before it hits anything. So I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm literally, before they cure on there, grab me my knife. Alright, so everything's locked into place. We'll grab the instructions some more. And we'll read what we're at.
It wasn't even filming.
Alright guys, so there you have it. That's what it looks like. Makes it for a clean look. At the back, you got nothing sticking out. On the sides, good trim. The front. And opening the back. So, seals everything. Everything is just pulled from one side and then basically just opens the latch, unlocks it, and hold that for a second, Matt. Yeah. So basically just pull, then you get the next one, the next one, the next one, and you can still use your arm. It doesn't affect anything. It clears. So if anybody's worried about that, making any contact, you can still use it. And it's nice and quick snap. And rubber seal in the back hits. So yeah, I'm happy with it. It's nice. This is what they put for the Rev Industries hard folding. So hope you guys like this. I don't regret my choice. It makes it all nice. It keeps your GMC logo and your side cover on. Usually they come on the sides here, they sit on top. And I like this flush mount look way better. So thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for subscribing. And we'll catch you on the next one. I'm having fun. New toy like this, adding accessories. Real fun. All right, we'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now. Be safe, guys. Bye.